Greetings, everybody. Welcome back. And today we are about to be discussing how to apply for personal loan. So, if you are willing to get a loan and how to apply from the UK, this video is specifically for you. So first, you need to be heading over to this particular site, Revolut, which is directed to our apply for a loan section, and there you can see we have this invest in your future with our personal loans. Apply to borrow money in a minute with a representative APR of 8.3%. So this should be kept in mind, the APR. And then you can see we have a fixed rate of interest, as you can focus at this part as well. So you can click on apply now and choose your country, of course, which is going to be the UK. Let's just search in here for that, and you got United Kingdom over here. Enter in here your phone number, and once you're done, you are going to be sending the request for signing up and applying for the loan after your representative connects. So this is how simple it is. Thanks so much for watching.